Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the Ancient Trader. Today is the 5th of September and it is the Teachers' Day if you have forgotten it. So happy Teachers' Day for everyone who are a teacher as of now. So coming back to today's market, the global market really looks weak. Of course, the US market is closed today due to the Labor Day, but the German market has cracked roughly around 3% due to the oil blockage of the from the Russia. So this is what it's happening, and I expected the market would sort of gap down also or follow our markets, and we would be having a correction. But it doesn't look the same as we saw that from the opening. The market looks positive, and it has gone roughly above 100 points. So this was quite surprising for me. So based on this, I need to move my position. So what is happening is there won't be any USA markets tomorrow, and I expect that market could trade between 17,800 and somewhere between 17,500 and 17,800 for tomorrow. And the Wednesday, we need to see how the USA market reacts. So I expect that the week low should be somewhere around 17,200 in case of an again a black swan event like a huge sell-off came over here where we saw that the markets fell from this level and going back to this level. So I expect that either this or this should be the support zone. And based on this, I would place my trades, and I expect that there isn't any good news which will take the markets. However, the bank Nifty bank looks very strong, and we need to see if there is some sort of resistance coming at around 40,000. So coming back to my position, so what I'm doing is this is the week which has been really been good. Had nothing to do so far, just a couple of changes which were managing strangles. I did a very good decision by holding on to this. So there was only 12,000 loss, and I have been booking profits continuously. So currently the market looks like I might end up roughly around 1-2%. So what I would do is make some modifications over here, pull to 16,900, pull to 18,150, try to risk a bit, and then in case of a fall down, I would just move to 17,800 or something like that. So with this, what I will do is I already have the following. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy this 17,800p. So people who doesn't know that I try to match this. So in case of a sudden move, I do not lose much on a U-shaped recovery or V-shaped recovery. I do not lose the profits or premiums lost over here. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna buy one of it over here and exit this position. I would exit both of this at 600 lots, and I would go ahead and sell both of this Nifty 18,150. So this week looks to be quite a easy trade unless there is some news coming across. So this is what I will do again over here. So I will go and buy Nifty 17,800p just to be sure. So this is 150 units, and I exit this, and I exit both of this. This was 1,450 and 1,450. So 5.8, 5.8, and I do the same in the other account as well. So this should be a fairly simple deal, and I will show you what would happen for my positions. So how much I can go if the market remains within the range for tomorrow and day after. So I will do this quickly, so bear with me. I'll exit both of this and sell 400 and 400. So this is done. So this is what it looks like. So we'll go over here, check my order book, it was, let's say, 4.1 and 4.25 and 5. So I'll just update here quickly. 16,800 was closed at around 4.25. Trying to chip in small values as safe as possible and then making the position look great. So this is what I do. Try to stay away as much as possible because I do not want any gamma effect to kill me off as I'm closing to the expiry. So this is 282. So 282. Come over here, 17,800 P. 5 of them because I trade with 1:10, so that is 372. I would update the exact numbers later, and I would take 18,150 of September the 8th. C, and this is 49 lots. 16,900 C, P, again 49 lots. So this was at 5.5 and 5.95. So I assume that it is 5.55 in 5.95. It could be lower than this. So what would happen to my trade is instead of 57,000, I would be earning 69,000 if it remains within this range. I'm moving a bit closer, trying to be a little bit negative. I do not expect the market to be extremely positive, especially when the global markets are sort of this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this. Let's say that I am looking for a Wednesday exit. So Wednesday, if the market is below 18,000, I will have 66,000, which is roughly around 1.6%. And if it is within this range, so it is around 72 or 73. So in case if it goes down and let's say VIX increases by 5% or 10%, and if 17,350 is the support, so I would have roughly around 82K as my profits. So I'm hoping that tomorrow it wouldn't be a crazy day. And in case the VIX drops and it goes higher, it would be 63,000, but still a good profit for this week. So I would take a 1.5%. And as you all saw that last week, I just made a profit of merely 1,340, escaped a loss of 1 lakh. So this is my recovery as of now. And this is what my trade looks like. It has been going really good. And if I plan to exit somewhere around 60, 70,000, I would say that it would be the perfect trade for me. And yeah, so the market looks to be going higher. We need to see if some sort of profit booking would come around 34,000. If we look quickly into the open interest, the Nifty looks like 17,600 and 17,500 is sold a lot. So I'm fairly safe on the other side, and 18,000 as the max open interest. And if you look it into the monthly charts, you see a huge number of call and binding, which is done here. So I think again 17,800, 17,900, 18,000 would be the resistance going forward. But if we look at the bank Nifty, 40,000 as the highest open interest. So this has to break in case the bank Nifty has to rally. And if we look at into the monthly, it is around 41,000. So I feel that it should fairly slow down. And you see a lot number of calls added at 41,000. So this should be all-time high. Let's hope that market remains within that range for me. But in case if it goes, I need to bring it back a little bit. So with this, I close my video. Thank you all. Have a nice day.